Hello Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today, and we are checking out the July cherry box. Who's ready to see what's in it with me? Here we go. So, Doodlebug, yay! So we have a variety of goodies here from Doodlebug for the July kit. I will go through the pattern papers with you first. So this is primarily the Great Outdoors collection, and this is from 2021. And then some of the embellishments are from various years, and I'll point them out as we go through. But older things mixed in with some newer things. So we have this great multicolored pattern paper, and then the B side is trees, tone on tone green. I'm gonna guess this is the B side of this one. So a plaid tone on tone orange, and this is the journaling cut aparts. So some fun the Yeti moose. So cabins in the woods, and oh, a nice wood pattern. Another multicolored critters of the forest, although that's the plains with a buffalo. And then stars, that's the tone on tone. And tags, and if you know me, you know those are going to be cut apart and used to and then plain ones, great for journaling. Another tone on tone polka dots, and more cut aparts. So that could be cut apart and used as a window or just as the circle. So lots of fun cut aparts there. And then you get, there's always something sort of mixed media-ish. So you have these great stamps from Stamperia, and those are, I'm gonna say these are fairly recent. And then a turquoise ink pad to go with that. You can see I have not broken into those. And then for the embellishments, this is what you're going to get. Anybody remember these from like way back when? I think I still have other other colors of that. So you have the shaped sprinkles, and I'm pretty sure they go with that collection. So they're from 2021. Yep. And then these are the embellishments that also go with that collection. So you can see a bunch of fun stuff with the trees in there. And there are 139 pieces of that, you guys. I mean, that is, wow, that's a lot of embellishments. And then you get these Doodle Pops cardstock stickers, and they are 2021. So I'm pretty sure they go with this collection too, because I know I've seen it. I think it was in this cut apart card. Yep. So you could stick that on top of there if you wanted, if you were so inclined. Maybe it might be a little bit too big. Oh no, that's the same size, but that would be a fun way to layer up that tag. And then these are definitely the older bits and pieces from the collection. So these are rub-ons. They're mini rub-ons. Those are from 2009. So I think, and then you have these silk flowers, and they are multicolor. Let me open that up and show you that it's not just the polka dot one, but you've got the lighter blue, you've got some with sparkles with glitter on them. So three variety of flowers there. And then you have the flowers that are the sequins, and these are the ones from 2005, but I still have these and I still use them. I love the Halloween ones that I have of this, so this will go nicely with that. And then these are called headlines, so they're just cardstock stickers. So you've got the leaves there, but they coordinate really well, and that's the great thing about these collections, is everything coordinates. So be sure to come back in a couple of weeks, or probably a week, and see what it is I create with this. And detail information about subscription to the box is in the description box down below. You can do one-offs if they are available. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.